So we're going to show you how to install the grill on the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This is the JKG Dragon grill, very specific. Basically what we're going to do is zip tie this in place. In order to prepare the zip tie to go in that hole and out this one, you have to do a little bit of a procedure. You just want to curl your zip tie. And you can do this with a butter knife so that you get a little shape like that. And then you're going to bend this. So what you're going to do, and what that helps you to do, is to install the zip tie. And you're going to need a little tweezer, or if you have one of these cool little gadgets, you're just going to grab the other end and zip tie the unit in place. And you're going to follow that procedure through the whole grill, and that'll give you a nice solid mounting for the new Safari grill.